Staring at the same sofa for years can become tedious, especially if the upholstery starts to tear. As a result, you might consider buying a new sofa, which can be quite expensive. The best solution to this dilemma is to reupholster your existing sofa. If you think reupholstering is a daunting task, think again. Here are 10 DIY sofa cover ideas that you can try out at home. I hope this video will inspire you to reconsider reupholstering. To stay updated with more content, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Number 10. No-sew temporary sofa cover. Accidents happen, and one of the most frustrating situations is when coffee spills on your sofa or your kids decide to use it as their canvas for doodling. No matter how hard you try to clean it, those stains can be stubborn. But don't worry, you can still salvage your sofa by covering it. Who says that covering a sofa requires complicated sewing? The truth is, you can do it yourself, even if sewing isn't your strong suit. All you need is some fabric that you can cut as needed. There's no need for precise measurements. Just estimate how much fabric you'll require. After cutting, simply tuck the fabric into your sofa, and you're all set. Number 9. A simple sofa cover idea. This option does require some sewing skills, but that shouldn't deter you. You can cover your sofa with a sturdy fabric, such as heavy cotton, linen, or canvas. You will need one piece of fabric for the back of the sofa, one for the seating area, and 2 for the armrests. Secure them in place using anchor pins, pushing the pins through both the fabric and the sofa to hold everything securely. Make sure to leave an inch or 2 of excess fabric for the seam. Next, pin the pieces together and mark with a pencil where they intersect. This will indicate where your seam should be. Remove the anchor pins and sew the fabric together. 8. A non-fitted box cushion slipcover idea. If sewing isn't your strong point, there's still an easy way to cover and protect your sofa. This method is one of the best and simplest ways to maintain your sofa's style while offering protection. You can easily buy a beautiful box cushion slipcover from stores or online, but making one yourself adds a personal touch. You can proudly tell your guests that you crafted it. Just select a thick fabric and consider adding decorative elements like embroidery along the edges. Then, drape the fabric over the couch, covering the seating and armrests, and you're good to go. 7. Another use for thin rugs. This idea falls under the no-sew sofa cover category, but it's both easier and more visually appealing. Instead of using plain fabric to cover your sofa, consider opting for a stylish rug. Covering your sofa with a rug adds texture and pattern to your space, making your living room more inviting. Plus, it's incredibly simple and, more importantly, requires no sewing skills. It works just like a throw. All you need to do is lay your favorite rug over the sofa, and you're done. Anyone can do this, right? 6. An easy sofa slipcover makeover idea. Who says creating a chic sofa cover is an impossible task? It's definitely achievable, especially if you're looking to conceal a tired sofa. To make a sofa cover, gather canvas fabric, pens, thread, an upholstery zipper, piping, cord, Velcro, and a fabric pen. Start by measuring the cushions to determine the length of piping you'll need, remembering to add an extra 5 centimeters for seam allowance. Next, cut 2 centimeter strips of fabric according to this length. Place the piping inside the fabric and sew along its edge, being careful to stop 5 centimeters from the end and cut the piping slightly shorter than the fabric edge. Begin pinning the piping to the back of the cushion and continue around its perimeter, then trim and sew the fabric. Once the piping is secured, drape additional fabric over your sofa and repeat the previous steps. To make it easier to remove the cover for washing or replacement, sew Velcro onto the back panel of the slipcover. Number 5. A Ruffle Slipcover project idea. Adding ruffles to your sofa cover can elevate the overall aesthetic of your living space. This design is similar to other DIY slipcovers. Begin by draping fabric over your sofa, pinning it for the seams, and sewing. What sets this project apart is the ruffling. To create the ruffles, fold and press fabric strips in half, then sew a double seam along the edge. Pin the ruffles to your slipcover and sew them together for a polished finish. Number 4. Quilted Slipcover. Using a quilt to cover your sofa or ottoman combined with a skirt can greatly enhance the look of your room. Start by draping the quilt over the ottoman, then pin and sew it in place. For the skirt, you'll need extra quilted fabric. Simply sew it to the top cover after assembling it. This approach will give your room a cozy, stylish vibe. If you have other sofas, you can treat them with the following ideas. Number 3. Tufted Velvet Sofa Cover Project Idea. Velvet is a smooth and elegant fabric, making it an excellent choice for covering an old sofa. This idea is particularly appealing if you're seeking both comfort and sophistication. While I won't claim that following this idea is easy, the description includes a helpful link to guide you through the process and make modifications as needed. One important detail: don't forget to re-tuft your sofa after covering it with velvet to achieve that polished look. Number 2. Vintage Peach Satin Sofa Cover Idea. Nothing can rival the luxurious feel of satin. If you want to infuse a touch of opulence into your living room without straining your budget, simply cover your existing sofa with satin. This process is quite similar to the previous steps. You only need to create some pinches in the satin to enhance its elegant appearance. If you're already feeling a bit nostalgic looking at this image, keep watching this video for the final idea on the list, which I believe will give you a compelling reason to love this video and share it with others. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1. Slipcover for sofas with attached cushions idea. Reupholstering a sofa with attached cushions can be a bit tricky, but that doesn't mean it's impossible. It's essentially like making any other slipcover, except you'll be detaching the cushions from the sofa, which requires careful handling. First, remove the stuffing from the cushions, then create the sofa cover. Finally, refill the cushion covers with the stuffing before reattaching them to the sofa. While making a chic sofa cover may seem daunting, especially if this is your first attempt, I hope the 10 DIY sofa cover ideas you've just seen will inspire you to take on the challenge without breaking a sweat. At least, that's my hope. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.